Hello, today I did my overall study on the Black racial identity that affects the perception of a campus climate in either positive or negative aspects. Within the study, our data sets from the SBS are variables, control variables, independent variables. For my multivariate hypothesis, I use the independent variables, and for my bivariate hypothesis, my independent variable was the racial identity, and my dependent variable was the perception of Tuskegee University students. My control variable was classifications, regions, and gender. For my bivariate hypothesis, there would be a direct relationship between levels of Black racial identity and perception of campus climate for those students enrolled at HBCU. Now, as it pertains to the hypothesis, it talked about gender. There were more male respondents at 53.8%. And this is kind of astonishing because the university has more females here. And the female respondents are only at 46.2%. For classifications, seniors had the most respondents. For regions, the Midwest had the more respondents at 30.8%. My rationale for the hypothesis, for my bivariate hypothesis, the reason for numbers being so high, people agreeing with the question is simple because the answer applies to Black students. I was surveying Black students at HBCU, this being Tuskegee. Even with all the troubles that face our culture, us as students tend to have a lot more pride in ourselves. And that's what really drove my project. Below are the graphs. In the middle, you have the gender of the respondent, the classification, and the region. Below the rationale, you have a discussion of results, which described each of my variant graphs that I have listed in SPS. And below here, which is kind of cut off on the screen, you had the multivariate results. And this consisted of, for gender, freshman graph male respondents and female respondents strongly disagree with both at 50%. Female respondents were at 25% for strongly agree. This is basically talked about my multivariate graphs that are listed above here. And also I gave an explanation and a interpretation of the results as well. In the middle I had the references. In this project I found out that as HBCU students, we have pride in ourselves, and we really take that on.